Hey there, Excel enthusiast. In today's video, we are going to dive into the basics of creating and saving workbooks in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or just need to a quick refreshers, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Okay. First thing, let's open the Excel. And if you want to using the Windows, you can find Excel by typing the Excel into the search bar at the bottom lid of your skins, or you just click over here. You can easily type over so what you are looking for, like I can easily use Insta Excel. And for also make your user, you can find Excel in your applications by using spotlight searches. Okay, so now click over here and it pops up with this one. Now that we have our these ones, so once you have a Excel open, you will see that it start string to create a new workbook. So simply click on the or with the new blank workbook, or click the new and use the blank workbook. So this will open a new empty Excel workbook for you to work with. Okay, so now that we have our blank workbook, so let's take a quick tour. At the top of you will see a ribbon which is filled with the various steps like the home tabs and also the insert drop and also the more. And below we have also cells over there. So here you can work with and organize it columns and also the rows. In cells can hold data such as the text numbers or formulas. Okay, so let's enter some data, like click or here anywhere or any cell and start typing. For example, let's start with the one cells. Right here the name, then the next one in the P1 cells we want to use like the country or this one, and then use here the in the cell we will use the something, or before that I can easily use this one as the age. Okay, so here we have now this one. Great. Now that we have entered some data, data, so it's time to save your work. So before that, let's start with the some name over here. Like if I just say AB and this is the BC or something, this one, country like XYZ or this one, and YX or whatever you want to use, this one. Okay, let's start with something. I am gonna say this is the 24th and 23rd over here. So now that we want to save it, so to save the workbook, click on the file in the top of the left corner of the screen, then select the save as. Okay, so next step is save as a dialog box and choose the location where you want to save your file. So for this example, let's save it in the desktop, and next give your file name. So I will use the simple file name. I use the simple, I can just say the simple workbook or this one, for example. Okay, then finally click on the save. Okay, so Excel will also allows you to save your workbook in different format. To do this, go back to the file and use the save as, click the drop down menu, or just click over like here and use the drop down menu into the here, and here you can choose the format like this or PDF, CSV, and also the more you can find here the different options. So for let's start or use the PDF files and save it. Now it saved the PDF files or these files as the PDF file. Okay, so once you are done with your work, you can close with the workbook by clicking the X at the top right corner of the window. So if you haven't saved your changes, so actually promote you do so before closing. Okay, so that is, you have successfully created and saved a workbook in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. and be with us. And thanks for watching.